watching my channel. I got a new crabbing video coming out probably in a few days here, so if you haven't already, subscribe. If you have already subscribed, thank you very much. I really appreciate it, and hopefully I give you guys some tips and get you guys on some bigger fish and more fish at that. The river's a little bit slow right now after that big storm we had. The water's definitely looking a lot better though every day. Still I haven't got a salmon yet, but they are still out here for sure, so I'll keep you guys posted. Thanks for watching. Water temperature is getting much cooler. There's still some big salmon in the river here in Sacramento. Visibility is about around 2.5 feet. Normally about 7.5. So it's getting much better. Got there. I forget. Bigger than last time. Nice.